I'm Nicolas Lai, Health and MedTech Market Lead at Zühlke. We help our clients solve complex challenges through innovation and technology. We work with a number of players in the healthcare ecosystem, which is quite broad, such as medtech startups, hospitals, pharma companies, and medical device companies. We have also worked with public healthcare institutions such as HSA and NDCS here in Singapore, using tools like AI and digital to build tools that improve the lives of clinicians and make the lives of patients also a little bit easier. We also work with the larger medical device companies. So for instance, we're working with Urbe in the areas of digital and data in a mobile app. So what that means is we look at how data not just stays within a device, but that how can it connect with other elements, say in a hospital, or say in a healthcare ecosystem space.
Collaborating with Zühlke allows us to harness the data that is generated during the procedure, but also to embark on projects, what we can do with this data and how we make use of it to enable surgeons to operate more efficiently, but also for ourselves to manage our product lifecycle, and lastly, for new business models.
And moving forward, how we see this growing is that we look at the possibility of how the data not just stays in the app, but how the data can inform other business units or departments in Urbe, how training programs are designed for clinicians, and how it can influence product development using data that is collected real time with real users. The healthcare landscape now has a lot of access to different technologies like AI, digital, software engineering, as well as IoT and AR and VR. And I think the question for a lot of health companies would be how to leverage these technologies, how to approach it in this complex world where there's a lot of regulatory challenges. That's how Zühlke partners with different companies to navigate this landscape.
We have benefited a lot from public-private relationships, and we have benefited from the technologies and the innovations that come from the private sector. At many levels, we adopt technology, so be it at the device level all the way to AI technology.
I think with aging population and rising healthcare costs, there's definitely potential for AI, data, and software to look at what are the emerging trends and how we can predict different trends early. Nowadays, we realize that innovation can only go so far in one organization, and it's about partnering with the right partners and the right stakeholders and the courageous stakeholders that can take an idea from a concept to something that can be fully implemented.